I'm going to take a moment out to do a magic trick. Card trick. Okay, let's see what we got here. We don't need this one, and we don't need this one either. What I'll do is I'll shuffle the deck, cut the deck, then I would ask the spectator to choose any one of these 52 cards. What a choice. So let's say they pick this card, the Five of Spades. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 3:21 p.m.
Okay, so that's 3:21 p.m. So this trick is live for me, but it's recorded for you. And what I'll do with Mr. 3:21 p.m., stick it around there in the middle. I mean, why not? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the deck. Maybe I'll cut it a couple more times. And shuffle never hurts. And then I've got my Corinthian leather wallet over here. What I'm going to do is toss the card from this deck into that wallet. Okay, did you see that? Isn't it amazing? The card made it from the deck into the wallet. Right there. And you probably don't believe me. So, I will show you. I would ask the spectator at this point in time to read what the card said. And they would look at it and say, that's my card. Because it says, that's my card. That was a joke. But inside this wallet, I have another wallet. And this wallet has a zipper compartment. In the zipper compartment, I keep my special stuff because it's very secure. I keep my autographed cards in this wallet. And as you can see, it is my 3:21 p.m. card that I had kept in this wallet. Ta-da!